You have dozens of 50-page PDFs and hours of YouTube lectures sitting on your hard drive. You simply don't have time to read them all. We can feed that raw material into a system that generates a podcast or study guide by indexing your specific files, keeping every answer grounded in the text you provided. This is the exact result we are building today. On the left, an interactive audio overview of your materials, and on the right, a precise, actionable decision memo. I'm going to walk you through the setup. I will give you the copy-paste prompts used by researchers and the specific method for importing YouTube content that avoids the common processing errors. This system puts you in control of the learning process, allowing you to organize and query a mountain of research on your own terms. Step 1. Go to NotebookLM and create a new notebook. Then upload a standard PDF into your left-hand Sources panel to establish your workspace. Next, you need to add your YouTube videos. NotebookLM has a direct URL import tool, but it frequently stalls on processing for days or fails entirely if a video lacks manual closed captions. Skip the native URL import. Instead, extract the text transcript of the video and upload it as a standard text file. This gives you a 100% success rate instantly. Extracting the transcript gives you an added layer of quality control. You can manually open the text file and delete sponsor reads or irrelevant intros before uploading, keeping the AI's data pool completely clean. Controlling the ingestion method guarantees the AI has immediate, clean access to the exact data required, preventing corrupted outputs and wasted hours of processing time. With your sources loaded in the left panel, it is time to interact in the middle chat panel. NotebookLM is only as good as its instructions. Generic prompts yield generic summaries. Instead, use a persona prompt. Tell the AI to act as a lead product manager, synthesizing sources into a decision memo structured around user evidence, feasibility, and blind spots. This forces the AI to strictly append citations to every claim. Click any of those generated citation numbers. NotebookLM immediately jumps to the exact highlighted text in your source document, proving its answer is grounded in your uploaded materials. Treating the AI as an expert persona rather than a basic search engine yields structured intelligence you can actually trust for major decisions. When you receive a highly valuable response from your persona prompt, click the pin icon to save it as a note. Take that newly saved note and click Convert to Source. Converting a note locks that insight into the AI's foundational knowledge base. That text is now factored into every future deliverable. This feedback loop allows you to train the AI's future outputs based on past successful insights, creating a customized knowledge engine that compounds in value. Look at the Studio panel on the far right side of your screen. This is where we generate the custom audio overview. Do not type your audio customization instructions into the main chat box. You must use the dedicated Customize button located inside the Studio panel. Inside the customization menu, adjust the tone and length parameters. Then type exactly what you want the hosts to discuss into the focus area box. While the audio plays, you can seamlessly interrupt the AI hosts to ask a follow-up question, and they will answer you in real time. The Studio panel turns dozens of documents into a portable audio discussion that fits into a commute or a gym session. You have successfully converted hours of dense content into a fully synthesized custom podcast and a formatted memo. The proof is in the playback. Your audio clip is actively discussing the exact focus area you typed in earlier, heavily grounded in your specific files. Click the download button on the audio player to export your file, or push the decision memo directly to Google Docs to share with your team. You can find the exact copy-paste persona prompts I used today located in the video description below. Mastering this workflow means you can process information at a scale most people can't match, converting a massive reading list into usable intelligence in minutes.